This week, I'll be walking you through the use of the minimum and maximum function on Excel. The minimum function calculates the smallest number in a range of cells. The maximum function calculates the largest number in a range of cells. Now, let's find the minimum value for the fruit item. As usual, to start a formula or to build a function formula on Excel, you start with an equal to, right? Then we'll type in minimum or min. Press the Tab key to fully access the formula, then select on the range of items so Excel can choose the minimum value. Then close the parentheses and press Enter. As you can see, the lowest item here is 20, which are the oranges. Now let's do the same for maximum. Let's do the same for max to get the maximum value of the meat items here. We'll start with an equal to min&max for maximum. Press the Tab key, then select our range of values, close in the parentheses and press Enter. Now our maximum value here is 50, which is the beef. It is very simple. We could also use the auto sum function, which we can access in the formulas tab, where you see auto sum in the function library. Then just press in max if you want to find the maximum value. Excel will choose the nearest range of items and help you input the function there. All you just need to do is to press enter. Then we'll get our maximum value for this pastries item, which in this case is donut. Donut has the highest value here. And that is very, very simple. Let's use the AutoSum function. Now, to access the minimum value in the formulas tab, you go to the function library, as you can see, then you click on the AutoSum function, press minimum value, and you can see Excel has helped you build a function using the nearest range of items. All you just need to do is to press enter, and that's that. You can get your minimum values and your maximum values. Please, if you like my video, click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.